Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interests. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you.
Let us from another small recap in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Salesforce Marketing Cloud, it is used for making automation and customer engagement. It's a marketing automation tool and it is a different version. This is the area benefits. Tell me. As I said, I want to know the meaning of engagement like in terms of SFMC. In terms of engagement means the things in a business. Think about any business. Maybe business have some customers and customers are. First things, a business. They try to suppose I am a social influencer today, is it? Lots of people are doing branding and social influencer, what they're doing, but they are spreading their videos, short clips, reels in social media. It is trying to connect the people and then they are. Anyway, they're doing this small. When you have noticed today a 9 rupees registration or a 100 rupees registration to get the connection is a part connection. And then they are bringing in a seminar or a winner and they are then the influencer they're trying to convince their services or products. And again they're going to next level of engagement that then they are making a customers. From it is a who is not connected and from that point of view and gradually it's a connect and engage with the services. And then the again your customers is repeatedly pursuing the surface is a return customer. A customers get engaged. The things is first of all you think about in a Amazon Flipkart. You may be here first time, but then someone recommended it is a good. Rather than going to physical, you can get lots of options. Then you can purchase then again repeatedly. You are purchasing the things. It is a continuously you are getting engaged. Enter these a cycle, how you got connected, how it is getting recommended. In that process is called engagement. Am I able to clear the tension of customers? Yes. It's engagement and also it's a retention is also a part. Because hard to bring the customers. Many people are able to open LinkedIn. Many branding person social media that they're doing posting images, what or why? To draw your attention. Then you are writing some comments. Then their writing come to my inbox. Then getting attention for attention of customers like this. Yes, it is a first day. It's called leads. First, it's a social media. All the general leads. Leads means they're not customer. Then leads convert to prospect. Prospect, who are the probable customer, who are going to be customers. Suppose you are getting 100 leads, not 100%. They can just hear it. But then some person trying to communicate, it becomes the prospect. Then some person, they purchase your products. Then they become the customers. Enter these cycles and where it is started. It is starting. Because of that, you have to engage through marketing. Here the SFMC marketing tool. Earlier days it happened lots of manual process, but now it is a more and more automated process. The marketing tools, it is a pioneer tool. It makes the more efficient and robust way through the entire process. Am I able to clear? Like through SFMC, we can maintain custom. Like we can get the customers, and after getting the customers, we can maintain customers also. For the things, for both the prospect is we can use SMC. And again, if you notice in your Gmail, when your primary inbox go to your promotion, social, update, many section you'll be getting every day, you are getting lots of email. How you are getting the mail? Because even which are the company you never connected, you are getting their mail from there. Am I? How it is anyhow in your social presence, in your which area you are moving. What is your food habits? What is your character? What is your from that way data is getting collected. Even it is tracked by the some companies. Even without your unknowing, knowing your unknowing, then you are getting the data and they are trying to provoke you. The moment you notice something is exciting, you're connecting them, enter, you become, you are clicking the subscriber. There is option, you can subscribe, you can unsubscribe also. This entire this process making it is physically next to impossible. It becomes the expert support of the tools. Here, acceptance is the most of the robust and efficient rich tool and for this business automation. Got it, thank you. Here benefits Salesforce Marketing Cloud data management, integration capabilities, property applications, applications of today's age, and everywhere all human means we are. We cannot avoid AI. AI is everywhere. To make the things faster, to write content faster, everywhere there is a AI is there. This is the one of the primary services. Just it is the second session. That is the reason we are going to repeat. And also yesterday not able to showcase the tools. How we can do in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Marketing Clouded, it is a feature-rich platform which has a capability to across marketing domain. This is customer or subscriber engagement in real time because it is every many websites you would be noticed at the below do a subscriber. They force you accept all cookies. Accept all cookies means that they're capturing your some data, not your privacy data, which is illegal, but they're capturing some data from your system and they are getting your data. But you are bound to echo the moment you are loading any app in your mobile from Play Store. You have to accept, you have to many websites. It will first time open, you have to accept all cookies. Their purpose of the cookie is to capture some data of your system and it's a reflex while you are moving those data and they try to make you subscriber of their products. Here SFMC tool, it customer subscriber engagement in real time. It's the email service and it is a email studio email service, the heart of the SFMC. And that is, there is many idea but email services it is hard. Social media engagement. Today any business cannot have a head. First, if you launch a business tomorrow, launch a business first. What you will do, definitely create a website. And next you will create an Instagram account, you will create a YouTube account, you will create a LinkedIn account. You will notice each and every websites. There is a footer section or any top corner section. You will be noticed some social icons, the social media engagement with your business, with your target audience. It is very important. And even you need to get your business feedback also. Hot customers is saying you are the owner of the business. You know that your business good, but people do not take the feedback of your product in the customers. You cannot improve what people are saying in the social media. That is very important. And to improve your product quality, Improve to reach your change your product due to time and more modifications also. Mobile messaging and push notification each and every day. We are getting many SMS. Today, even mobile vendors, those are the even they purchase. They are selling your data. Also, how you are getting much as MSS in your mobile every day. Even you have not connected with them, they are suddenly. You notice each and every day. If you are in job, you are going to get a custom loan related information for all private bank. They're chasing you for personal loan. How they're getting information from you? They've definitely some way that purchasing data, collecting data from mobile window, and that those that your data is been selling data is called money. Data is selling and that data is it. And it is very important tool. And it is a sending a message. A providing at the end in a business. It's a very urgent to analytics and prepare reports. Because your business is growing or scaling or it is a fall down. Things is it need to justify, it need to prepare reports analytics. That is a very important. This is the area of the areas SMC works. How is it going to help company understand their customers? Finally, end of the day, it is a business tool. Business is Salesforce. Marketing Cloud helps organization to understand their customers better. If you do not know in any business, first and foremost things, you need to know your audience. Who are your target audience? Which age group? Which gender? Which age group? Which ethnicity? Those are the primary things you need to understand before launching any products and before it is a business also. It provides a company's integrated solution for their customer journey management. If I track some customers, I need to find out where is my target. Customers are moving. Suppose I'm a trainer. I need to find out where I can get the students. Which are the media they are roaming. The things is, that is the very important. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.